We're rolling.
Oh, we're going to have lunch at a 30-year plus establishment in Hilton Head, South Carolina. It's open Monday through Saturday, 11:32, when it fizzles out. Earl of Sandwich. So this is known to have their famous Reuben, which we were just told by the server that it is voted the best on the island, and then she annotated that and said it's the best in the Low Country. So it's a pretty big deal. So the Earl has all-day drink specials, and most specifically, they've got $2 PBR and $2 canned Bud Light. Oh, Busch Light.
So this is the Earl, and it's got a lot of stuff happening on it. Good?
That's pretty good. I can see why the Earl's made it as long as he has. All right, so we have concluded our dining experience at the Earl of Sandwich on Hilton Head Island in beautiful sunny South Carolina. I had the cold Busch Light for $2, which was a good value. And we had the Duke and the Earl roast beef sandwiches in various styles and breadings. And in the end, real nice experience. It's nice out here in Coligny on the patio. Inside, they went with a more darker wood theme, more like a pub. Outside, it's very patio friendly and, you know, nice. So come check out the Earl of Sandwich next time you're in Hilton Head, South Carolina.